Very rare I see a red-tailed squirrel. Wow, cute. Blessed love, everyone. Welcome to How Can I Help Speak on this channel. This is Murphy. Let's take a little evening stroll, down to the park. Have some spare time, and this is most of what I do with my spare time. Just go to the park and relax and chill, Check out the squirrels and birds, chipmunks, and all these little things. God's creature, And just have a blessed day and relax and chill and meditate and think about life and all the good things that God has done for us and the good things that He has provided us with. So we are supposed to give thanks for it and let him know how much we appreciate it. Let him know. Like I said, I'm by the park, just come out for a walk, It's a peaceful day. Try to enjoy it as much as possible because life is short. Life is short. Life long, but it's short at the same time. So we just have to give thanks